Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
how are
Hi, good
you?
morning. I'm good. I'm good. I'm sorry I'm a little late. Yeah. Actually, I almost forgot about our class. All right. How about you? How are you today?
I'm good.
All right. So, what are you doing? What have you been doing? Oh, sorry. Uh-huh. Did you go to school?
No, it's day off.
Ah, okay. So, it's your day off. So, what did you do this morning? What did you do?
Mm, I did. I wake up at
Mm-hmm.
5 o'clock,
Oh, you woke up
and
at 5 o'clock.
I
Mm-hmm.
yes, I cook uh, breakfast,
Uh-huh.
and
Why so early? Why very early?
mm, I usually wake up 5 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. Do you prepare for your daughter or for your husband? Do you prepare breakfast for your daughter or your husband? Do you prepare breakfast for your daughter or for your husband?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So you prepare for them. That's why you wake up at 5 o'clock. Mm-hmm. All right. So what time does your husband go to work?
Mm, my husband to work at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yes,
Oh.
he wake up at 7 o'clock,
Mm-hmm.
and
Oh, but still 5 o'clock is still early.
yes,
Uh-huh.
and
And
drink coffee.
uh-huh, uh-huh. He likes drinking coffee. And how about your daughter? What time does she go to school?
My daughter go to school at 12 o'clock.
You go to Oh, she goes to school at 12 o'clock. All right, all right. Okay, so after you cook breakfast, what did you do?
Um,
After. Yeah.
After I clean house
Mm-hmm. Mm.
and cook lunch.
You clean the house
Cook,
and cook lunch.
yes.
Ah, all right. So after cleaning the house, you cook again. So and it's time for lunch. What did you cook for lunch? What did you cook?
I cook the rice
Mhm. And
and and the fish.
fish. Oh, what's the name of the dish? What's the name of the dish in Vietnamese? Yeah, maybe you can type it. Is that a
um,
name or fried? You can type it. You can type it on chat. because I'm very because I'm interested learning your food. Yeah, I like your food in Vietnam.
yes. Uh,
Yeah, I've
I
tried
like rice
rice.
and
You like rice?
yes.
Yeah. Yeah, rice. But the dish, the dish for fish. The fish. What do you call
Um,
the dish for fish? The recipe.
uh, it's fish.
Fried?
Fried is
Fried
fish.
fried fish. Fried?
Yes.
Okay, fried fish. Okay, that's nice. I like fried fish. All right. So have you eaten lunch?
Um, um, I
So no, you
mm,
haven't.
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock
12.
and
Oh,
yes, and sleeping.
you sleep.
Sleep.
You will sleep after?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. And your daughter, did you cook did did you cook lunch early so your daughter can eat before going to school?
Yes.
All right, all right. I understand. Okay, I see. All right, so thank you for telling me about it. Yeah, I also haven't eaten dinner yet. I will eat later after my two classes. Okay, so we are now going to have our lesson. Our topic for today is what time is it? Okay, what time is it? Okay, so these are our learning objectives. So you will learn how to tell the time, but I think you know how to tell the time and how to talk about daily activities. Okay, so let's do the warm up. I think that you know this. It is 7, right? It is
Yes.
7.
7. Yes.
Yeah, this one. It is 8:15. Can you say? Please say. Please repeat. It is 7.
Yes. Yes. 7.
Or it's easier. It's
Yes.
7.
Yes. 7.
Yeah, it's 8:15. It's 8:15.
Yes. Yeah. 8:50. 15.
Mm-hmm. It's 8:15.
8:15.
Yes, that's right. this one. It's 9:30.
Yes. 9:30.
Mm-hmm. It's 11:45.
Yes. Yes. 11:45.
Yeah, it's 11:45. It's still 11 because it's not on 12 yet. I think you know how to tell the time. All right, so I'll ask you, let's practice. I'll ask you this question. What time is it? You can say it is 10:30 or it's 10:30. Okay, they're just the same. So what time is it? What
Yes.
time is it? Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes. 10:30.
Yes, that's right. It's 10:30. This one, what time is it?
Yes. 7.
Yeah, it's 7. All right, what time is it?
Yes. 2:30.
Yes. This one, what time is it?
Yes. 9.
Yes, that's right. Okay, it's 9. Okay, so now listen and repeat these words with me. Let's learn new words. Yeah, this one is wake up. Wake
Wake
up.
up.
hmm
Wake up.
He wakes up at 6:30. He wakes up at 6:30.
He woke up at 6:30.
Yes, that's right. Take a shower.
Take a shower.
He takes a shower at 8 a.m.
He take a shower at 8 a.m.
Yes, all right. So you remember a.m. means before noon. Okay? a.m. means
Yes.
before noon. Okay? 12 o'clock is noon. Okay? 12 o'clock is noon. Okay? 12:01 onwards is afternoon. Okay?
PM.
Yeah, yes, that's right. So afternoon is PM is afternoon. What PM is
PM
afternoon.
is
Okay,
after.
PM is afternoon. Okay. So 12:01, 12:01s we use PM. Okay? We use PM for 12:01. Okay? Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Because some of my students they use AM for 12 o'clock. They use AM for 12 o'clock. Okay? Okay? They use 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is the time we sleep. It's midnight. Okay? It's midnight when we are in deep sleep at 12 a.m. Okay? After 12, it's already 1 a.m. All right, after 12, I mean 12:59, it's already 1 a.m. Okay? So 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock is already morning. Okay? That's the time we are in deep sleep. Okay?
Yes.
12 o'clock
Okay.
is noon. It's when we are that's the time we eat lunch. Okay? 12 noon
Yes.
is the time we eat lunch. Okay? All right. So, yeah, again, take a shower. I think you remember this one. Have dinner. Have dinner.
Have a dinner.
Have
Um,
dinner. And,
they uh they have have a
mm-hmm,
dinner at 8 p.m.
mm-hmm. They have dinner
Dinner
at
at
8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Yes, that's right. Okay. This one. Go to bed.
Go
Go
to
to bed.
bed.
Yeah. He
He uh
goes.
he go to bed at 11 p.m.
Yeah. Can you say goes? He goes to bed.
Go. He
S-
goes.
Yes, he goes to bed at
He
11
goes
p.m.
to bed
At 11 p.m.
at 11 p.m.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so let's have this one. So you have to tell me and fill in the blanks. So I'll ask you this one. So what does he do at 8 a.m.? What does he do at 8 a.m.? Hmm?
He uh tower
He
tower
he takes
tower.
yeah, he takes a shower.
Yeah.
Can you say he takes a shower at 8 a.m.?
He is tower at 8
A.m.
a.m.
Yes, that's right. And what does he do? What time does he go to bed?
Mm, he goes to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. All right. And this one, what time does he wake up?
He wakes up at 7:30.
Yes, that's right. Okay, this one, what do they do at 8 p.m.?
They have a dinner at mm, 8 p.m.
Yes, that's right. They have dinner. All right, now we're going to have the dialogue. I'll be your teacher, you'll be Ariza. All right, so let's start. Hello, Ariza. What time does your husband wake up?
He wake up at 6 a.m. He take a shower at 7 a.m.
What time does he go to work?
He goes to work at 10 a.m. How about your husband, Mr. Smith? What time? What time does he go to work?
He goes to work at 9 a.m.
Uh, does he wake up at 6?
No, he doesn't. He wakes up at 8:45. 8:45 and then 9 a.m. goes to work. See this? 8:45 he wakes up and then he goes to work at 9 a.m. All right. Only 15 minutes. All right.
What
Mhm.
time do your children wake up?
They wake up at 5 a.m.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. Do you notice the husband? The husband wakes up at 8:45 and goes to work at 9 a.m. What? All right. Let's do the matching. So you have to tell me the answer that matches the statements or questions. So what does he do at 10:30 p.m.?
I go to bed.
Uh-huh. He.
I,
What?
I he go to bed.
He goes to bed. All right. No, he doesn't.
Uh, does he go to work at 10 a.m.?
Mm-hmm. No, he doesn't. Does he go to work? Okay, okay. So yes, they do.
Uh, do they wake up at 8 a.m.?
Yes, that's right. They. What time does he go home?
At 8 p.m.? At 7 p.m.
All right. He has dinner at 7 p.m.
Mm. What time does he have dinner?
Yes, that's right. And at 7 p.m.
What time does he go to bed?
Yes, that's right. Okay, good job. So now let's have this one. So you have to fill in the blanks. What time does your wife go home?
She goes home at 6 p.m. He go to bed.
She has
She has uh,
what? She has
she
she
she has
has yeah,
dinner.
she has dinner at 7:30. We can say she has dinner or she eats dinner. Okay, has we can also use has for eats.
Has
Yeah,
has
yeah,
has dinner
yeah. Instead
at
of saying eats.
7:30.
Yes, that's right. What time does she go to bed?
I goes to bed at
Mhm.
10.
She goes to bed at 10.
Sure. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What time the your
Does
husband have a dinner?
yeah, what time does your husband have dinner? He has dinner at 9 p.m.
What time does he go to bed?
Mm-hmm. At 11 p.m.
How about how
How about
how about mm,
what time? How about what?
how about
How about your children? How about your children? Yeah, you can use your here. Okay. How about your children?
your children?
What?
What time have they go
Mm-hmm.
to bed?
This one is do. What time do they
Do
go to bed? Okay.
what
What?
time do
Yes, because this is they. So we use do for plural. We use does for one person, right? For singular, we use do. I mean, we use does. So we use do for plural, which is they. You
What
understand it?
time do they go to bed?
Yes, that's right. At 7:30. All right. So please remember. Okay. All right. So now, yeah, maybe we can skip that one. Maybe you can have this one. We only have 5 minutes left. So I'm going to ask you questions. So, what time do you take a shower? What time do you take a shower?
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Shower at 6 p.m.
Mm-hmm. I take a shower at 6 p.m. Mm-hmm. What time do you go home?
Yes. I go home at 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Hmm. And what time do you go to bed? Excuse me.
I uh, I go to bed at uh, 10 p.m.
Mm-hmm. All right. What do you do at 8 p.m.?
Mm. I learn with my daughter.
Uh-huh.
My
So you help.
daughter.
Okay. You help her with her homework.
Yes.
What do you do at 1 p.m.?
Mm. I usually uh,
You
in the
usually
class.
you usually in class?
Yes.
Okay, at 1 p.m. So you have a class. You have classes at 1. And what do you do at 9:30?
Mm. I mm,
Usually in class too.
yes.
All right, all right. Okay, that's so nice. Yeah, here, does your husband wake up at 6:30 a.m.?
Um, my husband wake up at
All right, this one,
6.
you can answer this one, the question does.
Ah,
You can answer it with yes or no first. Okay, so you
yes.
answer it with yes or no first. So does your husband wake up at 6:30?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
6:30?
He the
6:30? Yes, he does. He wakes up at 6:30.
yes.
Hmm.
Husband wake up at 6:30 or 7 p.m.
Okay. AM. AM.
a.m.
Yeah. All right. Oh, do you live here with your mom or dad? I don't think you know if what time they wake up. So I won't ask
No.
you this question. They don't live with you, right? All right. So yeah, maybe you can ask me some questions here. So your turn to ask me. We still have 2 minutes. It's your turn to ask me.
No.
You don't want to ask me. What?
Um, what time do you wake up?
Oh, I wake up. I usually wake up at 8 o'clock. Yeah.
What time do you go to work?
Oh, all right. So I work from home. So yeah, maybe I can still consider it I go to work, but I go to class usually at 11 o'clock, and then in the afternoon I go to class at 2 or 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. And then I start at 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Yeah. So I have vacant classes. So I only work from home. So I don't go out. All right. Okay. So number 3.
What time do you have a dinner?
All right. So I usually have dinner at 6 o'clock. Yeah, because I start my class at 7. So yeah, I should have dinner before my classes at 7. So yeah, it's 6 o'clock. All right. So I think it's already time. Do you have any questions? Other questions? All right. Mm-hmm. All right. So yeah, maybe we can end the call now. Yeah, it's already time. So yeah, I will see you again on our next class on Friday. Okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
goodbye.
All right, goodbye. See you on Friday. Have a nice day.
Yes,
Mhm.
thank you.